Chapter 10 is about the mystery of sex transmutation by fueling your inner fire. Brace yourselves, as we venture into the enigmatic realm of this chapter. Before you raise an eyebrow, let me assure you, we're diving into the powerful art of channeling energy towards achieving your desires. It's like tapping into an uncharted reservoir of vigor, a force that can drive your ambitions to astonishing heights. Imagine harnessing the energy that pulses through your veins, the energy that's ignited by your desires and aspirations. Now, imagine redirecting that potent force towards your goals, like a laser beam focused on success. This is the essence of sex transmutation, the act of converting raw energy into the driving force behind your endeavors. It's not about the literal act, it's about using that fervent energy to propel your aspirations with an unwavering intensity. As we delve deeper, let's illuminate this concept with practical examples. 1. Picture a dedicated professional, their ambition ablaze. Through sex transmutation, they pour that fervor into their work, resulting in peak performance, promotions, and a trailblazing career. 2. Imagine an athlete, their determination aflame. By transmuting that energy, they power through challenges, shattering records and becoming legends on the field. 3. Envision an entrepreneur, their vision burning bright. Through sex transmutation, they infuse that passion into their business, driving innovation and attracting success like a magnet. 4. Think of a seeker on a spiritual journey, their curiosity ignited. By channeling their energy towards exploration, they unlock profound insights, experiencing personal growth and inner peace. 5. Consider an artist or writer harnessing their passionate energy and using it as a creative catalyst. By channeling this energy into their craft, they infuse their work with depth, originality, and emotional resonance that captivates audiences. Embrace the power of sex transmutation, a tool that can elevate your pursuits to unprecedented heights. Don't shy away from tapping into this profound energy, embrace it, master it, and let it fuel your journey towards an extraordinary life. Your destiny awaits, and it's time to unleash the hidden potential within you. Now, let your curiosity run wild by engaging with this content, like, comment, and subscribe to fuel the flame of knowledge within you. We're on a quest to harness the mysteries of energy and transmutation, to elevate our lives and reshape our destinies. For faster results, check the playlist to listen to the next chapters. We wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.